Hey YouTube scrappers, back out in the garage. Gonna do some wire today. Starting to get things situated. Starting to get a little bit more room going on. Here's all my wire. I'll show you how I prepare that, but I want to show you some that I've already done. Number one, copper wire. And all of my e-waste is gone. I processed all that, and there's some garbage, and I've got oh, look at that, an old register, cash register, and I'm going to do that tote next, and hopefully I can keep going and get things cleaned up, and got to go through all those boards yet. Hey Catalina, our kitty cat. So now I got to move over to the wire. I'll show you how I process the wire to get it ready. There's some wire that has, everyone knows that these wires have strands, 3 or 4 strands, and one strand is bare copper, so I'll show you how I easily yank that out. I make a slit in the end of it first. That way I can get the copper wire poking out. Guess I should have had my GoPro set a little bit different. I thought I had it set good enough, so, but obviously not. So then I put the other 2 ends in the vise, grab a hold of the bare end, and give it a pull. Sometimes you have to use some, see, I do that to give it a pull. And that splits the plastic and pulls it right out, and there you go with number 2, copper, which I'm going to throw in my bin. And then I'll take the other 2 out of the main plastic and put it in a container and have it for next time I get the stripper hooked up. So yeah, that's how I do that, and I just put the wire there and wait till I get a bunch of it, then I'll set my stripper up, and I'll put a box where I put the empty coating in. And of course, Chris, I can send that to as shred. When I worked there, we used to fill trunks of cars up with that, and then they would go and get shredded and sorted and all kinds of fun. They're just slitting the coating so I can get that bare wire. None of this wire that I'm doing is bare bright. It's been sitting in water. I found it at the end of a person's driveway at the garbage day, so it was a nice find to find that. So today's a really nice day. It's not humid and hot. It's like 24 degrees with no humidity, so, and a nice light wind, so it's a pretty good day to be out in the garage, not sweating to death. So Sometimes some of these are harder to pull than others. It's when you get 4 strands of wire that they start getting hard to pull. So yeah, just pull that and pull that right out, and it splits the rubber casing and everything, so it works out well. Here shortly I'm going to put you on time lapse so I don't bore you all to death with stripping wire. Put more of my filling that box up with empty stuff. And as you can see, I am getting my piles down some. Hopefully I'll get them down enough that I'll be able to bring in my stuff from outside, in my microwaves and my smaller stuff, and put it against the wall so I can start getting ready for winter, because it is the end of July already, which is crazy that summer's gone this fast. Pretty soon it'll be too cold to do anything outside. One extreme to the other, so. Yeah, so just pull on the wire. Just pull my wire, that's all I'm doing. Yeah, putting it in the bin, the number 2 copper. Hopefully prices. Get the last little bit of this wire done. Yeah, I have to get my stripper from the basement and get it hooked up and get some of that stripped out. There. That seems to be, that's how I do some of my house wire to get the ground wire out, the bare wire. And there. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and I thank you for watching. Set this back here. So what I'm gonna do with this, space back here is hopefully most of the little stuff that's outside, I'll pile it in here for the winter. More hard drives that have fallen down here. Lots of hard drives. Yeah, slowly getting through stuff. There's my copper wire that I got out. Alright, so remember to subscribe, like, share, and we will catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.